Welcome to our channel. Today we how to access iCloud from any device. Web login guide step by step clearly. Open any modern web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type iCloud.com into the address bar and press enter. Check that the page address starts with HTTPS to confirm a secure connection. On the iCloud sign-in page, enter your Apple ID email address or phone number. Click or tap the arrow or the next button to continue. Enter your Apple ID password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you use Face ID or Touch ID on Apple devices, you may be prompted to approve sign-in there as well. If two-factor authentication is enabled, look for a 6-digit verification code on your trusted Apple device. Enter the verification code on the web page when prompted. If you do not have your trusted device, select the option to send a code to your trusted phone number if available. Choose whether to trust the browser only if the device is personal and secure. After signing in, you will see the iCloud homepage with app icons and your account options. Click or tap Photos to view, download, or upload your iCloud photos if the feature is enabled. Use the Upload button in Photos to add images from the device you are currently using. Click or tap iCloud Drive to access files and folders stored in your iCloud account. Drag and drop files into iCloud Drive on a computer, or use the Upload button on mobile. Click or tap Notes to read and edit your Apple Notes synced to iCloud. Click or tap Reminders to view tasks and mark them complete from any device. Click or tap Mail to access your iCloud email if you have an iCloud mail address set up. Click or tap Contacts to view and manage your saved contact list. Click or tap Calendar to check events and create new appointments. Click or tap Find My to locate your Apple devices and see their last known location. In Find My, use Lost Mode if a device is missing and you want to lock it remotely. If you need account settings, click your profile area to open iCloud account preferences. To download a file or photo, select the item and choose the download option. If something does not load, refresh the page and confirm you are using a supported browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. For security on shared devices, avoid saving passwords and do not select Trust this browser. When finished, click your profile area and choose Sign Out to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.